Hey, it's Adam here again, one of the trek leaders from Getaway Trekking. Today we're going to talk about boots to use when crossing the track. I personally wear the Merrill boot. I have had these now for 4 times crossing the track. They have held up very well, very lightweight, very comfortable. As soon as I put these on, I knew these were going to be great to wear. Plenty of grip on the bottom. It is imperative to have grip when crossing Kokoda Track, as we are up and down rocks, mud, logs, roots, you name it. Original pair of laces still, they've seen the test of time. Very light boot, mid-top height-wise, which is great for the ankle support, and a little bit less weight when walking the track, which is always good. You don't want to go with a low-top shoe when crossing the track because you'll lose your ankle support when crossing the track, and you want to keep them safe on the track. When crossing the track in 2018 for the Anzac trip, we had absolutely torrential rain for I think 7 of the 8 days. My feet held up reasonably dry as you could hope. The boots seem to keep the feet dry. And they've just been a fantastic boot to wear. So there you have it, Adam from Getaway Trekking. These are the Merrill boots that I personally use and recommend when crossing the Kokoda Track.